This has been a passion of mine since childhood. So if you need a more professional one, I think you should look at other videos for profession, but this is just a self-taught. So as I said before, however you want it to look, you go with the shades that you want, with the shades that you prefer. And voila, this is what we have. It's not as matte as I wanted it, but it is a look, right? Then if you are a glossy person like me, you can add the gloss on top of it, but because I am a gloss person, I go with this. This is an optional thing, so you don't have to go with the lips. I know gloss really asks some people, but I love gloss, so you can go in with the gloss as much as you want that you can tolerate. As for me, I just love a lot of gloss. I just love a lot of gloss. Anyway, until this point, I hope you got something out of it, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and subscribe. Bye.